Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. So the Mselegu siblings are back in Izingani's Thembu season 3 and it looks like things are about to get intense. After a much-awaited return, the drama, secrets, and family struggle promise to leave no stone unturned. As the stake rises, it seems like bonds will be tested like never before, leaving loyalty and love hanging by a thread. Based on Izingani's Thembu trailer, it looks like the drama in this season will have viewers on the edge of their seats. Who can be trusted? Which relationship will hold? And which sibling will finally make peace? With so much at risk, only the strongest will survive the chaos that awaits. The explosive comeback of Izingani's Thembu season 3 on 25 May 2025 at 7 p.m. channel 161. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now until we meet in my next video.